Slice 10,400 box cutter. The safer, sharper, smarter way to cut. Tired of dull blades, rusty knives, and risky cuts? Meet the Slice 10,400 box cutter, a game-changing tool that redefines cutting with next-level safety and precision. Featuring a zirconium oxide ceramic blade that stays sharp 10 times longer than steel, this ultra-durable box cutter is non-conductive, rust-proof, and never needs oil coatings. The 3-position manual slider lets you lock the blade at different lengths, so you get total control over every cut. Whether you're slicing through cardboard, packaging, vinyl, or foam, this stylish, ergonomic, and insanely effective tool makes every job safer and smoother. Why settle for average when you can slice smarter? Unlike standard box cutters that dull quickly, rust, and require frequent blade changes, the Slice 10,400 is built to last. One ceramic blade lasts as long as 20 metal blades, meaning fewer replacements, less downtime, and more savings. The blade is dual-sided, so you can flip it for extended use, and the simple, tool-free blade swap makes changing blades a breeze. Plus, the rounded tip design minimizes injury risks, making this the go-to cutter for both pros and beginners. No more worrying about accidents, just clean, effortless cuts every time. Designed for durability, built for comfort. The glass-filled nylon handle gives you a secure, ergonomic grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Unlike flimsy, slippery box cutters, this one feels solid in your hand and locks securely in place for precise, controlled cutting. The adjustable blade settings allow you to choose between a fully extended, semi-protruding, or fully hidden blade, making it versatile for different cutting tasks. And let's not forget, this sleek, stylish design doesn't just perform well, it looks good while doing it. Save money, cut smarter, and stay safer. Think about how many cheap, disposable utility knives you've gone through, each one dulling fast, needing constant replacements, and increasing the risk of injuries. The Slice 10,400 slashes through all those problems by offering a longer-lasting, safer, and more cost-effective solution. Its chemical resistance means no rust, no oil coatings, and zero maintenance headaches. Whether you're a warehouse worker, DIY enthusiast, office pro, or just someone who opens a lot of Amazon packages, this revolutionary box cutter makes cutting hassle-free. One cutter. Endless benefits. With superior durability, precision, and safety, the Slice 10,400 is hands down the best utility knife you'll ever own. No more constantly replacing blades, dealing with rust, or risking painful cuts. And with every purchase, Slice donates 1% of sales to autism research, so you're supporting a great cause while upgrading your cutting game. Ready to slice through life's cutting tasks with ease? Grab yours today and experience the ultimate in box cutter innovation.